in Scunthorpe, number 9. Let's see if this one can make it the length of the straight. Don't forget, we are looking for the top 4 that come past. Who's going to get the best of the breaks? Rush Shepherd has looked quick all weekend, and he shoots out of the gate in South Somerset, number 3. Can they get past turn 1 safely? It looks like they can. So it's Rush Shepherd from Gibbons, from Pope, from Mackenzie. There your 4 at the moment as it stands. Aidan Taylor, though, looking to get into the mix. In York 37, Tim Russell, Kenny Smith and Kay Quinn are the ones missing out. Like I said, it doesn't matter whether you finish 1st or 4th. It's all about getting into that final as Popey pushes on. It's Rush Shepherd that leads the way. Oh, contact between Pope and Taylor as Popey's find himself relegated now in Spalding, number 8. But at the front, Rush Shepherd looks safe in South Somerset, number 3. Jack Gibbons runs 2nd in Leewood, number 1. Your former national champion Dan Mackenzie's in there. Aidan Taylor's climbing cars again in York 37 as the last lap flag goes out. Rush Shepherd, Jack Gibbons and Mackenzie, they're all safe. Who's getting 4th? That is the big question as Russell holds off at the moment, but Popey's looking around the outside. Oh, we got big contact at the front. Well, this is going to be very interesting. Rush Shepherd takes the checkered flag, but the Reds come out. He was followed by contact after the checkered flag as well. Class 8, what is going on?